The story of this summer house begins not with walls or sketches, but with nature itself. Located in the Altos de Tranoso condominium, the design was shaped by careful studies of wind direction and solar incidence. These environmental factors guided every decision. Music ensuring the house stays naturally cool and comfortable. Instead of fighting the climate, the architecture embraces it, creating a living space that feels in harmony with its surroundings. The arrangement of spaces within the house reflects a deep understanding of environmental behavior. By aligning the structure according to sunlight and air flow, the home maximizes ventilation and minimizes heat gain. This thoughtful organization allows each area to benefit from natural conditions, reducing reliance on artificial cooling systems and enhancing everyday comfort for its residents. One of the most impressive aspects of this home is how it captures natural light while maintaining privacy. Through strategic landscaping, the house welcomes sunlight into its interiors without exposing itself to neighboring views. The greenery acts as a natural filter, softening the light and creating a serene, intimate atmosphere throughout the property. Sustainability plays a key role in this project, highlighted by the integration of photovoltaic panels. These panels convert sunlight into energy, significantly reducing the home's environmental footprint. This approach not only supports eco-friendly living, but also aligns perfectly with the tropical setting where sunlight is abundant and reliable year-round. The L-shaped floor plan is more than just a design choice. It's a functional strategy. This configuration separates social and private areas, ensuring both comfort and privacy. One wing is dedicated to communal living, while the other houses the private suites, creating a clear yet fluid distinction between shared and personal spaces. Covering the private suites is a Birina thatched roof, a nod to local building traditions. This natural material not only provides excellent thermal insulation, but also adds blending tradition with modern living in a meaningful way. The material, IAL palette of the house is both simple and powerful. Eucalyptus wood, natural stone, and concrete come together to create a balanced and cohesive aesthetic. These materials are not only durable, but also connect the house to its natural context, reinforcing a sense of authenticity and permanence. Architectural elements like Bryce Sole and Rapado panels play a crucial role in shaping the experience of the house. They control sunlight, create dynamic shadows, and provide a gradual transition between covered and open spaces. At the entrance, a Berea pergola filters light beautifully, marking the passage from exterior to interior with elegance.